everybody, Jordan Beeman here, president of Heart Brand Beef, and today we're going to be cooking the crowd favorite Akaushi burgers. Check this out. Pre-pattied, ready to go. It's available on our website, and it's available in most Kroger's in the eastern half of the United States. Check it out right there. A 3-to-1 patty, 4 of them come in a box or in a package right there. We're going to get these out, season them up, and get them on the grill. Let's check it out. Super easy application. All patty, individual paper in between them there. Look how nice those patties are. So nice and red. Got that perfect Akaushi blend to them. We're gonna get them out, season them up, put this Akaushi seasoning on them, and then we're gonna go straight to the grill, y'all. Check out this patty right here. The perfect size, 5.33 ounce Akaushi patty right there. Okay, now let's season them. So of course, we're gonna use our Heart Brand seasoning. Right there, our Heart Brand seasoning, basic salt, pepper, garlic is the main thing. It's the main ingredients of it, and we'll season them up. I'm a fan of seasoning, so I'm gonna hit them on both sides, season them pretty good, just kind of like that. Make sure we get the whole patty, flip it over, flip it back into that seasoning so you get that extra seasoning you got on the side of the tray there. Here we go, we'll just season them again on this side. There it is, Heart Brand seasoning on these Heart Brand patties. Now we're gonna be ready to go to the grill, y'all. All right, we're outside. We've got our patties seasoned. We've got our flat top hot. We're gonna put them on. Listen to this when they go on. Oh yeah, super hot, ready to go. Get a good char on them. Get a nice Maillard reaction on those patties. Check that out, Brooklyn. Move in close and show the audience what we have there. Those Heart Brand Akaushi patties seasoned on the flat top, ready to go. All right, we've had the patties on about 3 minutes. We're gonna give them a flip. Let's take a look at that color. Oh yeah, nice brown color. I always like to flip them to a new spot of the flat top so we get maximum heat after each flip. Bailey even heard them and they smell them, so she had to come up and check out what we got going on. So look at those patties right there. We're gonna cook them again on that side. Hope to get about 150, and then we'll start heating up our heating up our buns here shortly. Got our patties cooking, so now we're gonna get our buns on here and get a little bit of preheating to them, and hopefully just a little bit of char on them. Bailey's gonna get hers on there, and we'll get all 4 of them on there. Get a little color and a little crunch to them. Good job. All right, we're gonna give everything one more flip. Check out the nice color on those patties, how nice they look. And look how well these patties have stayed together, folks. Look how such good shape while these buns are split. See what they're looking like? Oh yeah, look at the color on that one. Beautiful, have a nice crunch. All right, we're getting close to about 165 here. We're gonna cook our patties at 165 internal, and I'm a fan of cheese, so we're gonna get a little cheese on them here and let them sit with that cheese for a few minutes.
Dad, does everyone want cheese?
Yeah. No. Does Mom want cheese?
Yeah, probably. Look at that nice sizzle. Look this one.
All right, we got our patties done. Take them off, go inside, get ready for plating. Now we got our burgers inside. Got a little mustard and mayonnaise on them. Got the cheese. Hit it with just a little bit of lettuce and onion. We're gonna give it a try. Now that's a great burger. Make sure you check us out online at heartbrandbeef.com or go to Kroger and get these and have this exact eating experience at your home.